What should I do if the other party's insurance company reaches out to me? Attorney John Rosenberg explains, if the other party's insurance company reaches out to you, you should use the opportunity to confirm who they represent and get the name, address, phone number, and claim number of the insurance company and the claims representative that has contacted you. If you were injured in the collision, you should let them know you were injured and that you are seeking medical care. However, if you are asked to provide a written or recorded statement, you should refuse. Just say no. If you're going to have an attorney represent you, have your attorney provide the details to them. Your attorney can tell the insurance company what they need to know. If you are uncomfortable talking to the other insurance company, tell them you will get back to them and call an attorney. Insurance companies seek out your written or recorded statement to help themselves, not you. They do not seek your statement to help you make your claim. It is not done to help them find reasons for them to pay your claim. It is done to help them avoid paying your claim. What you say after a collision to an insurance representative can have serious consequences in how your claim turns out. It doesn't mean that you cannot tell them that you were in a collision or that you're hurt. But if you're in a situation where you may be making a claim for bodily injury and you are thinking of retaining a lawyer, it's okay to tell them that you are retaining a lawyer. If you're hurt and they contact you very shortly after the accident, you have the right to tell them that you're hurt, not feeling well, and that it is not the right time to give a statement. You have the right to say no. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that, in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.